everybody, welcome back to Double Cayman. I'm just going to show you my two fidget spinners today. So, here's my rainbow one. I'm just going to have a little spin with it. It looks really cool. I can do some tricks with it. I can also do this, kind of. Yeah, and this is for this one. I've got one more very shiny, and it's my gold one. I can spin it so fastly. It's really cool. I can do loads of tricks with this, and I can also do that bit better with this. And yeah, see you all tomorrow. Bye. And I hope you subscribe and like and comment down below.